Hello students, I am Priyanka Gupta from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School and Junior College. I will be teaching you political science today. Subject is political science, class 10th. Chapter 3, political parties. Political parties act as a link between government and people by communicating the demands and complaints of the people to the government. Chart of national parties. Indian National Congress INC, establishment year 1885, democratic socialism, social equality and international peace. These are objectives. Next, Communist Party of India CPI 1925, works for the welfare of laborers and workers. Third, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP 1951, objectives. The party stands for the protection of Indian culture and traditions. It gives importance to economic reforms. Fourth, Communist Party of India Marxist CPM, establishment year 1962, proclaims socialism, secularism and democracy and oppose imperialism to protect the interest of workers, farmers and landless laborers. Fifth one, Bahujan Samaj Party BSP, establishment year 1984, objectives. Protecting the interest of the majority, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, religious minorities and other backward classes. Sixth one, Nationalist Congress Party, establishment year 1999, believes in the value of democracy, equality and secularism. This is objectives. Next, chat some major regional parties. First point, Shiv Sena, establishment year 1966, objectives. Protection of the rights of Marathi people, promotion of Marathi language. Second point, Shiromani Akali Dal, establishment year 1920, objectives. Cultivating religious and regional identity. Third point, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, establishment year 1932, objectives. Protection of the interests of Kashmiri people, protection of autonomous status. Fourth point, Assam Gun Parishad, establishment year 1985, objectives. Resolve the problems of displaced people, protect the unique cultural, linguistic and social identity of Assam, economic development of Assam. Fifth point, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, establishment year 1972, objectives. Protection of Tamil identity, supports all section of society. History of power. In this, achieving power through elections is the main objective of political parties. Thus, different political parties compete with each other to get power. There is nothing wrong in this competition, but the competition should be fair. To pursue an ideology. In this, every political party has some policies and worldviews. Parties have a particular stand about social issues. These together make party ideology. The people who consider a specific party ideology as acceptable support that political party. Now, party agenda. Political parties prepare their party's agenda on the basis of party ideology. They implement the agenda after they get political power. Even if they do not get political power, political parties try to get support of people on the basis of this agenda. To establish a government, political parties establish the government and govern the nation. The political party which gets majority in re-elections form the government. The parties which do not get majority act as opposition parties. And this to act as a link between the government and the people. Indian National Congress. First point, the Indian National Congress is the oldest political party in India and came into existence in 1885. Second point, at the time of its establishment, it was an all comprehensive movement which worked for national independence. CPI, Communist Party of India, works for the welfare of laborers and workers, opposes capitalism, protects the interest of workers, farmers, and landless laborers, proclaim socialism, secularism, and democracy, opposes imperialism. BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party is an important national party. It functions towards the protection of Indian culture and traditions and gives importance to economic reforms. The Bharatiya Jan Sangh, established in 1951, was merged with the Janata Party, established in 1977. CPI of India, Marxist, Communist Party of India, Marxist. This party proclaims socialism, secularism, and democracy. The party opposes imperialism. Party's policy is to protect the interest of workers, farmers, and landless laborers. NCP, Nationalist Congress Party. In 1999, there was a split in the Congress Party and Nationalist Congress Party was established. The party believes in the values of democracy, equality, and secularism. The party was in power in Maharashtra from 1999 to 2014 in coalition with the Congress Party. TMC, Trinamool Congress. All India Trinamool Congress Party was established in 1998. Election Commission was gave the party recognition as National Party. In 2016, the party supports democracy, secularism, and protection of interests of weaker section of the society. Regional parties. Regional parties are those groups who compete to get political power in their region with the objective of regional development. The influence of regional parties is limited to a particular region. All regional parties are required to be recognized by the Election Commission. To get recognition as a national party, the Election Commission has prescribed the following condition. In election, a Political party should secure minimum 6% of the valid votes in the earlier Lok Sabha or State Assembly elections, and minimum 2 members should be elected in the Vidhan Sabha State Assembly. Or a political party should secure minimum 3% of seats out of total seats of Vidhan Sabha State Assembly, or minimum 3 seats. Shiv Sena, Shiromani Akali Dal, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, Assam Gan Parishad, Dravida Munetra Khanjam are some of the regional parties of India. Dravida, in this Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement in 1920, was transformed into Dravida Munetra Khanjam, a political party. In 1944, Justice Party came to be known as Dravida Khanjam. In 1949, a group separated from this party and established another party. Shiromani Akali Dal is an national party. Shiromani Akali Dal is an important regional party established in 1920 in Punjab. Its objective is to cultivate religious and regional identity. It has assumed power in Punjab for many years. Jammu and Kashmir Conference, Main Guard Regional Party in Kashmir, established in 1932, and they protect the interests of Kashmiri people and protection of autonomous status. Assam Gan Parishad. Assam Gan Parishad Party came into being in 1985 with the Assam Agreement. It aims to resolving the problems of displaced people. It strives to bring about the economic development of Assam and to protect the unique cultural, linguistic and social identity of Assam. It has been in power in Assam for several years. Now, the summary of this chapter. Political parties are a link that connects common people, democracy, representation and elections. Political parties exist in all democratic systems. They compete with each other. Only a democracy, they can be described as a group of people who aim to contest election, win elections and get power and establish the government of their party. In this, the types of political party system. There are three types of political party. First one party system. Second one, two party system. And third one, multi-party system. The important characteristics of political parties are to be in power, to pursue an ideology, to have a party agenda, to establish a government, to act as a link between the government and the people. Now, political parties are a link that connect mainly common people, democracy, representation and elections. Now, under the national parties, the candidates of a party should be elected from minimum 2% constituencies out of the total Lok Sabha constituencies and from minimum 3 states. Now, term to be assignment. First question, in the map of Maharashtra, point out the Lok Sabha constituency that includes the name of your parents. Next, second question, in the map of India, point out the places where national political parties have their influence. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.